Hello everyone and welcome to the final video in our ServiceNow HRSD series. Over the past sessions, we have covered everything from HR case management to automation, security and integration. We will do a final review and help you prepare for ServiceNow HRSD certification. In this video, we will go over key takeaways from the courses, HRSD certificates preparation tips, real-world HRSD use cases, and new steps for HRSD implementation. If you are looking to become a certified HRSD expert or implement HRSD effectively in your organization, this session is for you. Key takeaways from the course. Summary of essential HRSD features and functions. Throughout this course, we explored core HRSD functionalities including HR case management, handling employee HR requests efficiently, employee service center, self-service capabilities for employees, HR knowledge management, centralized knowledge for faster resolution, HRSD integrations, connecting HR with external systems. These features ensure seamless HR service delivery. Then highlight of HR workflows and automation capabilities. We also covered HRSD workflows, automating HR case assignment and approval, Flow Designer, building automated HR processes, life cycle events, managing employee transitions like onboarding and offboarding. By leveraging automation, HR teams can save time and improve efficiency. Advanced HR configuration for enterprise use. For enterprise, HRSD offers advanced security controls, role-based access for HR data, custom dashboard and reports, real-time HR insights, integration with Workday, SAP, and payroll system. These configurations help large organizations optimize HR service delivery. Then real-world example showcasing HRSD success. Many organizations have used HRSD to reduce HR case resolution times, improve employee satisfaction with faster HR support, enhance HR compliance with automation and security. Now let's move on HRSD certification preparation. Overview of the certification exam. The ServiceNow HRSD certification exam validates your knowledge of HRSD fundamentals, HR case management, workflows and security, advanced configuration, automating reporting and integration, best practices for HR service delivery. It's a great way to demonstrate your HRSD expertise. Recommended study materials. To prepare, use ServiceNow HRSD training modules available on Know Learning. ServiceNow documentation covers HRSD configuration in details. Practice labs, hands-on experience in ServiceNow environments. A mix of theory and practice is key to passing the exam. Then practice exam questions. Here are some sample questions to test your knowledge. Which HRSD modules handles employee lifecycle events? How do you configure HR case assignment rules? What's the purpose of virtual agent in HRSD? Practicing questions help reinforce key concepts. Tips for success. To pass the certification exam, understand HRSD use cases. Don't just memorize concepts. Review official study guides. Focus on the ServiceNow best practices. Take mock exams. Simulate the real test experience. With proper preparation, you will be ready to become a certified HRSD professional. Real-world HRSD scenarios. Case studies on effective HR case management. Many organizations use HRSD case management to automate HR request routing, improve case resolution, ensure compliance with HR policies. HRSD streamlines employee support, reducing workloads on HR teams. Designing and optimizing lifecycle event workflows. Lifecycle events like onboarding, promotions, and offboarding can be automated with workflows integrated with IT and payroll system, configured to provide a seamless employee experience. A well-optimized workflow ensures efficiency and compliance. Use of integration. to seamless HR processes. Integrating HRSD with external system allows seamless data synchronization with HR platforms, automated payroll and benefits processing, real-time employer records update. This reduces manual efforts and improve data accuracy. Then real-world automation example to enhance HR service delivery. Companies are using HRSD automation for auto-routing HR cases based on the employee location, triggering notification for pending approvals, using virtual agents for quick HR inquiries. Automation enhance HR efficiency and service quality. Next steps in HRSD implementation. Assessing readiness and planning HRSD implementation. To implement HRSD in your organization, evaluate current HR process, identify automation opportunities, ensure alignment with business goals. Proper planning ensures a successful HRSD rollout. Then establishing matrices to measure HRSD ROI and performance. Key performance matrices include HR case resolution time, employee satisfaction scores, adoption rate of self-service features. Tracking these KPIs helps measure HRSD success. Then aligning HRSD strategies with organization goals and objectives. HRSD should support long-term business objectives by enhancing employee experience, improving HR service delivery, ensuring compliance with labor laws. A well-integrated HRSD system drives strategic improvements. Exploring future trends in HRSD such as AI and predictive analytics. The future of HRSD includes AI-powered HR chatbots for real-time assistance, predictive analytics for workforce planning, enhanced mobile experience for employees on the go. Staying ahead to trends ensure continuous HRSD improvement. That brings us to the end of the HRSD series. We have covered everything from core functionalities to advanced automation, security, integration and governance. Whether you are preparing for certification or planning an HRSD implementation, you now have the knowledge to succeed. Thanks for joining this journey and I wish you success in the ServiceNow HRSD career.